Welcome back to Jet Set Explore Hub, your trusted guide to stress-free, adventurous travel. Today we're diving into an essential topic for all travelers: how to bring medicine to a foreign country without a hitch. Stick around because these tips could save you from unnecessary headaches and ensure your journey goes off without a snag. First, let's address the big question. Why is this important? Well, navigating medication rules while traveling abroad can be tricky. From customs regulations to language barriers at pharmacies, it's crucial to be prepared. Whether you're managing chronic conditions, carrying over-the-counter meds, or just want peace of mind, this guide has got you covered. Let's start with the basics. Do your homework. Before you even think about packing, spend some time researching your destination. Understanding the local culture, laws, and customs can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Here's your pre-trip checklist for traveling with medicine. 1. Research local laws. Different countries have different regulations regarding medications. What's perfectly legal at home might be restricted or even banned abroad. Did you know that common medications like decongestants or strong painkillers might be illegal in certain countries? Imagine arriving at your destination only to find out that your essential medication is not allowed. Check the embassy website of your destination to avoid trouble at customs. These websites often have the most up-to-date information on what you can and cannot bring into the country. 2. Carry a doctor's note. This is especially important if you're carrying prescription medications. Ask your doctor to provide a letter detailing your prescription, dosage, and its purpose. This letter should be clear and concise, explaining why you need the medication. This can be a lifesaver if you're questioned. Having a doctor's note can make the difference between a smooth entry and a stressful situation. 3. Keep medications in original packaging. This is crucial for identification purposes. Don't transfer pills to unmarked containers. Unmarked containers can raise suspicions and lead to unnecessary delays. Customs officials want to see the labels. Proper labeling helps them quickly identify the medication and its legitimacy, making your travel experience smoother and less stressful. Now let's talk about packing. Packing efficiently can make your travel experience much smoother and stress-free. Here's what you need to know. Always pack medicine in your carry-on. This ensures that you have access to your essential medications at all times, even if your checked luggage is delayed or lost. Luggage can get lost, but your carry-on stays with you. This is crucial, especially for medications that you need to take regularly or in case of an emergency. Plus, cabin temperatures are better for certain medications. The controlled environment of the airplane cabin can help maintain the efficacy of your medications. Use a pill organizer wisely. It helps you keep track of your doses and ensures you don't miss any medication. While convenient, some countries frown upon unlabeled organizers. It's important to be aware of the regulations of the country you are visiting. Use them at your destination, but keep original packaging for customs. Check for temperature sensitivity. This can prevent any issues at customs and ensure your medication remains effective. If your medication needs refrigeration, invest in a portable cooler designed for travel. This will help maintain the required temperature and keep your medication safe throughout your journey. Tech to the rescue. Download apps like Google Translate to help with pharmacy visits abroad, making communication easier. And consider tools like Pillbox or MediSafe for medication reminders and tracking. If you're unsure about a local substitute for your prescription, these apps can help bridge the gap and ensure you stay informed. Before you go, here's one bonus tip. Pack extra doses. It's always better to be over-prepared than under-prepared, especially when it comes to your health. Delays happen, and you don't want to run out of your essential meds. Flights can get delayed, connections can be missed, and plans can change unexpectedly. A good rule of thumb is to bring at least a week's extra supply. This ensures you have enough medication to cover any unforeseen circumstances. And remember, always keep a list of your medications, dosages, and your doctor's contact information. This can be a lifesaver in emergencies. Store it both physically and digitally for easy access. Having this information handy can make a huge difference if you need to see a doctor while traveling. That's it for today's episode of Jet Set Explore Hub. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. Safe travels, and see you next time on Jet Set Explore Hub. Happy exploring!